Hello math students, this is Justin, and today we're going to work on finding the dot product. When you're working with the dot product, you're working with vectors, and vectors are a specific type of matrix in which there's only one row or one column. Now A and B in this case are both column vectors because they have one column. And if we want to find the dot product of A and B, we can make that into matrix multiplication, but in this case we need to transpose A into a row vector. So this formula here says that finding the dot product of A and B is the same as using matrix multiplication as long as A is transposed before we multiply. So that means we're going to change the dot product of A and B such that A is now a row vector. You can see that it has one row and four columns, and B is still a column vector, four rows and one column. Now this allows us to multiply these two matrices because we have four columns in matrix A and four rows in matrix B, so we can multiply, and we're just going to do normal matrix multiplication. So the dot product of A and B, 2 times negative 2 plus 5 times 4 plus negative 3 times 7 plus 9 times 0. We're just doing normal matrix multiplication. So that means we need to add negative 4 plus 20 plus negative 21 plus 0 gives us our dot product of negative 5. When you find a dot product, you're just going to end up with one answer. Essentially, it's the entry to a 1 by 1 matrix, because when we multiply a 1 by 4 matrix times a 4 by 1 matrix, we get a 1 by 1 matrix. We only get one entry, and we call that number the dot product.